Hello, I'm Dr. Elizna from Montego Pet Nutrition, and I would like to tell you a little bit more about Karoo Targeted Care's metabolic and sterilized dog and cat diet. Some of the common health issues associated with obesity include things like diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. These conditions can severely impact the quality of life of both dogs and cats. And one of the most important aspects for pet owners is to be able to identify obesity and weight gain in their pets. Certain breeds of dogs and cats can be more prone to developing obesity, but other factors also play a role, such as sterilization. Sterilized dogs and cats are at a higher risk for developing obesity. Another complication of obesity specific to Dachshunds is the possibility of disc prolapse and back problems. That is quite a severe condition and requires surgery. In cases of large breed dogs that develop arthritis due to obesity, the arthritis is very much reversible and can effectively be treated by losing weight. The first step to identify whether your dog has a weight problem is to run your hands over its body. This is especially important in longer haired breeds for dogs and cats. It can be quite easy to miss the initial phase of development of obesity. And running your hands over your dog's body will enable you to look at things like whether you can feel their ribs or not. The rule of thumb is that you should not be able to see the ribs of your dog, but you should be able to feel them quite easily with slight pressure. Once you have identified that your dog or cat has an obesity problem or a weight problem, you can feed a specialized diet such as Karoo's Targeted Care Metabolic and Sterilized Dog and Karoo Metabolic Sterilised Cat. This will assist with managing your pet's weight and can be used either as a weight loss diet or as a management diet, and even preventatively. Additionally, this diet also ensures fat burning and overall metabolism stimulation to ensure that your dog or cat feels fuller for longer. Karoo Targeted Care's metabolic and sterilized dog and cat diets is specifically formulated to be a flexible diet. You can either use it as a weight loss diet for obese pets, or it can be used as a preventative when you have a dog or cat that's been sterilized and you want to prevent weight gain. These diets are more than just weight loss diets and can be effectively used as a maintenance diet, as it incorporates high quality proteins like duck, lamb and egg, as well as our single grain recipe using brown rice only. This is important to ensure that the glycemic index of the diet remains low. These diets also include high levels of antioxidants to ensure a good functioning immune system. It is extremely important to always follow your veterinarian's guidance and the feeding guidelines on the back of the pack. For overweight dogs or cats, you can start with the weight loss feeding guidelines on the back of the pack, and then once the desired weight loss has been achieved, you can just switch to the maintenance guidelines.
Karoo Metabolic Diet and Sterilized Dog and Karoo Metabolic Diet and Sterilized Cat both support healthy weight loss, weight maintenance, cardiac health, and blood sugar control in dogs and cats respectively, as confirmed through an independent study on their effectiveness.
That's all from me for now. Thank you so much. See you next time.